Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Seth, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. My first unboxing video ever. I'm really excited. Don't judge me. I'm not a famous YouTuber. I'm not like Markiplier or whatever. But yeah, we're doing an unboxing of the Altec Lansing Sonic Boom Everything Proof Outdoor Speaker. So looking at it, you have IP67 rating, so that means waterproof, shockproof, all that good stuff. You have house party pairing mode, which pairs multi-speakers or multiple speakers. You can pair up to 50 speakers at one time using this. They have to be Altec Lansing with house party mode though. 100 feet of Bluetooth range, which is really nice. 50 hours of battery life on a full charge. It takes about 4 hours to charge to get to a full charge. 100 watts of power, guys. I'm telling you right now, 100 watts of power. That's a lot. Like, that's a little bit less than most cars have, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, yeah, 50 hours, all that good stuff. Let's jump inside. Okay, so right away I see you have your power plug or a power cord. It's just an AC, one of those using audio equipment. Yeah, car charging cord. So if you're on your way to a barbecue and you're running out of juice, or like tailgating party, just plug it right in. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. They do come with an aux cable or an auxiliary cable, but mine, I probably lost it somewhere. There's a manual in here that I'm never gonna read because I don't need to, because yeah. Anyways, so let me talk about how much it is. The price on Altec Lansing's website is $200, which is a lot. I mean, I think it's worth it, but I didn't buy it off Altec Lansing's website. But on eBay, there's a seller that sells it for $86.95, brand new. These are like the ones that they put on display at stores, and he collects them and sells them for way cheaper. They work perfectly. They're still in the packaging. Yeah, anyway, let's jump inside. Very fast shipping. I got this within 2 days, and it's usually says it has like 6-day shipping. Manual in there. Okay. Nothing in there. All right. There we go. Okay. Wow, guys. This looks pretty nice and rugged. Feels solid. Alright, let's talk about the speaker modules. On the front, you have your 8-inch subwoofer. You have a 1 1/4-inch tweeter. It's not a horn. This is a 100-watt subwoofer. On the back, this is not a subwoofer. If you've seen JBL products, they have those bass radiators on the side. They're not actual speakers. The way this works is it's sealed. There's no like normal ports which a normal subwoofer would have. This is basically an addition. So the pressure from the main subwoofer on the front moves this one and adds basically another subwoofer. Plus this one just produces bass. This one's like a full range. But yeah, looks pretty nice, guys. On the bottom you got some labels. Okay, let's talk about the back. On the back here, wow. So you have your power input to charge it up, get it juiced up. Switch, which isn't actually the power switch for this thing. It's just to turn on these outlets, which don't work on the battery. You have to have it plugged in, and you have to have this on to charge the speaker. And yeah, 210 volt AC power outlets, which is pretty cool. They don't work on battery. You have to have it plugged in. Yeah, on the side, just nice. This is made out of like plastic, metal, and rubber. It's got a nice, that's metal. Very durable handles. I think it's like 1 inch thick of plastic on the outside. Yeah. Sorry, there's something in my nose. Anyways, yeah. But looking at the top here, as you can see, you have your power button, volume up, volume down, bass boost or EQ preset, Bluetooth pairing, and also the Bluetooth pairing button also activates your house party pairing mode. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh wait, I forgot to talk about this. So you have your plug for your car charging cord to charge it up for a party. 3 USB outlets, so to charge up your phone, your tablet, whatever you have with you. Those work off the battery, so you don't have to worry about plugging it in. 3.5 millimeter auxiliary input cable, and then a 1/4 inch input cable for a microphone, so you can do karaoke, which, yeah. And it has NFC, if you guys know what that is. It's near field communication. If you have an Android phone or device that's pretty new, you just tap into that and it'll say, would you like to pair with this speaker? Press yes, instantly paired. You don't have to go through all the hassle of digging through your Bluetooth settings. Okay, let's get this paired up. We'll do a sound test.
On. Welcome to Altec Lansing.
We are greeted by a fairly lovely voice. Powering on, welcome to Altec Lansing. Paired. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to kick it off with some NCS so I don't get flagged on this video. DefCab invisible. Okay. We start off with half volume. Half volume, bass boost on. This is half volume. Okay, yo, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a 25, yo. This thing got, shouldn't say this, it's got hella bass, yo. You can feel it while I'm right here. The subwoofer's on the back. I can feel it. You can feel that thump. It's really loud, very clean. It sounds the best when it's fully charged, or, well, the way to tell if it's getting low on battery, it'll start to have a lot of distortion on low volume. But yeah, if you have a really bassy song and you turn it up all the way, you're going to get a little bit of distortion. Just turn it down 1 notch. Doesn't make it any quieter. Stays the same volume. Just gets rid of that distortion. Let's keep going. Alright, so my final thoughts for the Altec Lansing Sonic Boom speaker. It's got so much bass, guys. You can feel it. It's very clean. Yeah, check it out on eBay or on your website if you have money to spend. It's $200 on their website. This thing's good, guys. You can save $114 if you get it on eBay. Brand new. Just a little bit of a damaged box. Anyway, please like and subscribe to frickin' Cornbread 22, and I'll see you guys later.